Dear brother, President Sisi, and the other leaders and the people of this great country, allow me to begin by thanking you once again for the warm welcome to your beautiful country. Rwanda regards Egypt as a strong partner, and our cooperation is tangible and steadily growing. The agreement signed today builds on the strong foundation we have already established. Together, we are building a modern heart care center in Kigali, a landmark facility that will significantly enhance specialized cardiac treatment in Rwanda and beyond. This collaboration is reinforced by education and workforce development. Egypt continues to provide advanced training for Rwandan medical professionals. Mr. President, I wish to take this opportunity to thank you for Egypt's support. When it comes to pharmaceuticals, Rwanda and Egypt have achieved mutual reliance and regulatory standards. In Rwanda, we have significantly expanded access to affordable and quality health care and initiated vaccine manufacturing together with partners. Egyptian health and pharma firms are already excellent partners in this regard, and we want to do even more. Indeed, we believe there are numerous opportunities that our two countries can explore to strengthen our economic relations generally. That is why our private sector leaders met during this visit. Rwanda and Egypt have a shared interest in food processing, hospitality, and advanced technology, among other areas. The reciprocal allocation of land by Rwanda and Egypt will be instrumental, and our countries to gain access for wider regional markets. Our continent has the advantage of being richly endowed with natural resources, but to generate real returns, we must transform our raw materials into high value added products. Mr. President, we will continue building on this cooperation and good political understanding of the context in which our two countries live, not only on our continent, but also on the whole world. Ultimately, what we both want is to create a system of development and that is sustainable, pragmatic, and brings prosperity to our people. Mr. President, we have good momentum, and I am confident that we will see even more tangible results very soon. We look forward to continuing working together with you and our countries ever getting closer to address numerous problems that we all face. Once again, We are grateful for the generosity and hospitality of the government and the people of Egypt. We look forward to continuing working with you closely, and please let me once again extend our invitation when you find time to visit our country, your second home, as mine seems to be the second home here in Egypt. I thank you for your kind attention.